Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. In today's video, we'll share, guys, if you have a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, if you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the telematics is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You have two fuses in two different fuse boxes, and we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel, you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times, you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys. We take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we're going to specifically, guys, explain right here now on an F-150 2012 model, but even if you have, guys, anything different but that same generation, it should be helpful. So let's explain now what we have here. This is the fuse box that we'll be working on. This fuse box, guys, is located right under the hood. Now, before we continue, let me explain why it's super important to test fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So when you open, guys, your fuse box in the engine bay, that's right above the radiator, guys, in the middle of the engine bay, you will face it that way. That's your relays, that's your second row of fuses, that where we will be working. But now, if you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, guys, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get them at a good price. So we're going to start here on the left side and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have a missing fuse, you count it. Fuse number 17, F17, 7th in a row from left to right, that's for the telematics. Now, we have another fuse box that's located, guys, okay, in the interior of the vehicle, in the passenger side, on the right side, under the glove box, guys, okay? And that's by the kick panel there. And you can see this is the fuse box right here. You have more fuses. Now, if you start in that row right here, left to right, the third row, and from bottom to top, okay, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it. 1, 2, 3. That 10 amp fuse, guys, it's known as fuse number F37. That's for telematics as well. Hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.